Good afternoon, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. My name is Andrew Noble, and you are watching Hot Wheels Dad. Alright, you guys, today, for some of you guys who have been OG subscribers to the channel, you have recognized where I'm at today. I have filmed lots of vlogs from this location. We are back, you guys. We are back at the original house that we call our dream house. We put a pool in this area. We have a barbecue, lots of room. We have a balcony up here. We have tons of room for hosting, and we are coming back. Now, originally I told you guys that the move to the other house was temporary. It's already been a year since we moved to that house. We can't believe how fast a year goes, you guys, and it just flew by. So what I wanted to do today was get you guys just a tour of this particular house. We had renters in the house for that year while we were gone, and I wanted just to come back and show you guys the house that we call home. I really missed this view, getting you the vlogs from this house, you guys. So we're super excited to be back and wanted to show you a little bit of the front. We actually have a golf course right here. We can see the fifth hole right here from our front yard. This is really cool because we can take the dog out for a walk, and we walk up and around the green, see some deer out there in the morning, and the hills, of course, are super close, you guys. So excited to be back in this area, getting you some more vlogs from this house. Of course, the truck looks beautiful. 2018 F-150 looks great sitting out front of the house. I will probably end up parking it out front for a little bit and then getting the Audi on the inside and the Lexus on the inside as well. And this is what I really missed about this place, was a 3-car garage. There's plenty of room for the truck. That's right, the truck does fit in the garage with a 6-inch lift. You guys have seen that video. And then obviously the car will go here and my wife's car over there. With the retail arbitrage business, I might end up parking the truck outside for a little bit and using this area as a storage. You guys have seen that already, but we are here. We are back. We're back at this house, you guys, and I'm so excited to be back here. Let's give you guys a quick tour of the home. So we missed the grand entrance here. We have a porch, but we missed the 2-door entrance. As you come on in, this whole area here, this is what we live for, you guys. This grand entrance here, high vaulted ceilings, and we have a formal living room and a formal dining room here. And then you come back in, we really loved walking in from front to back. The fact that you can come straight here to a living room, fireplace, and then bam, you have this open view to the hills of Corona. You can actually see Lake Matthews up on the hill. Up in this area right here, Lake Matthews is up there. But kitchen, we do want to do some work to the kitchen. So plan is, before we move back in, we're actually going to have the house painted. We have a painter coming out today to give us a bid on the house. We want to just change the color up, and because we had renters in here, there is kind of their smell in the house, and we want to kind of just get a fresh new smell in the house. Over here, this is our office area. So this was the original office. You guys will see some vlogs coming from here. I want to do a video on all of the cars that I have owned, so stay tuned for that. I'll probably do that from here, or maybe in the garage. So here is the laundry room, laundry sink, and then of course the entrance to the garage. Bathroom downstairs, and then I do want to show you the pantry. This is what we missed. We had a little closet pantry in our rental house, and this, you guys, is what we missed. We missed a huge pantry, walk-in pantry here. And then of course we have our butler's pantry right here. All right, so let's take a walk upstairs. So this is also another thing. We have a straight staircase here. The one that we have kind of turns a little bit. We got a platform and then it turns. Here you got a straight, and then all of this is upstairs space with bedrooms, and we have a bonus room up here to the right. So let's show you that first. At the house we're in now, you guys have seen, I did a tour, and there is actually a pretty big bonus area for Aria to play, but this one here is way bigger than that area that she has to play. Before, we had our couch here, TV, And then she had her little storage area over here. We probably will end up redoing the floors in here. Sorry for the echo, you guys, but without any furniture in here, of course there's an echo. And then again, we want to do the paint. So we're gonna paint with a neutral gray color, and we're just gonna paint every single room that same color, just like we did with this kind of beigeish color. All the rooms and everything, when we originally moved in, we had painted. We're gonna do the banister white because we really like the white banister at our current house now, and we're gonna keep the carpet. So we actually put this carpet in, and we put the hardwood floors, and we put all the tile. Let's show you that. We put all the tile in the bathrooms originally when we moved in 2014. So we got the 2-foot tile, long plank, and then the carpet. So we have a bedroom here. This is probably one of the bigger bedrooms in the house. We did the light fixtures. We actually installed the light fixtures as well. And then this room has a walk-in closet here. Pretty big bedroom. What we really like too is the bedrooms are all pretty much lined up down this hallway here. There is another bedroom here, another light fixture, a little bit different. This was originally our guest room, so we're gonna probably keep it our guest room. And then also next door, that's another guest room that we had a bed set in. And then this room right here, this was Aria's nursery. It's kind of funny because the renters kept her light fixture up here, but this was actually a boys' room, but they kept it up here for us. Thank you guys. Her bed's gonna go here, and then dresser over here, and then obviously a closet here. And then the last bedroom is the best bedroom of all, our favorite. Check this out, you guys. It is the master bedroom. Huge, elegant when you walk in. You have the window out to the balcony. So we have a balcony, and you can come out here and enjoy the view. That's Lake Matthews up here that I was talking about, but we have the view of the pool from here. We do have some furniture that we put here. We had a little sofa seat that we just come out here and chill in the morning time and enjoy the view. Can't beat that, you guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, coming back into the master bedroom. Here is the bathroom. We want to actually do a little bit of work. We'll probably redo the countertops, end up painting the cabinets here. Shower, bathtub, and toilet over here. But this is what we missed most of all, you guys. The huge walk-in closet, or another bedroom as you may call it. Actually, it has a window in the closet to allow for lots of natural lighting, which we really, really like. And then of course, all the built-in shelving is already here. As you can see, you guys, lots and lots of closet space here. Our favorite part, or I should say my wife's favorite part of the house. And then coming back out this direction, we actually had a couple of seats sitting here. We'll probably end up putting those. We got rid of them when the move because we just didn't have the room at the other house, but we had a couple of little tiny seats here. We'll probably end up getting more. And then we really liked how this overlooks the front entry here. Super, super grand, really beautiful. And then that is the hardwood that I was telling you about. So again, super, super excited to be back. Can't wait to get back at our house. Probably a few weeks or so, we're gonna allow for the painters to come in, repaint, and then let the paint dry, obviously, and then move our stuff back. Coming back downstairs, I did want to show you the hardwood floors here. True hardwood, and it's a little bit of a gray color, so we think if we paint the walls in a grayish color, that'll totally match. And then we're gonna have the cabinets in the kitchen painted as well. That's all we're gonna do. Eventually we wanna change out this backsplash here and change it to a different color, and then change out the tile on the fireplace over here. Good to be back, excited to be home, cannot wait to move back. With everything that's been going on in the year 2020, the thing that we missed most of all is having the pool, you guys. So the pools were shut down originally, and so we weren't able to go swimming, and that was really, really upsetting for Aria. Aria loves the pool. That's her favorite thing to do, is get out in the water. So the thing we're excited to get back to is the pool, some more time in the fire pit, and obviously the barbecue. Lots of stuff to do, a lot of moving to do. We're gonna have to move everything back. A little side yard over here, but we're gonna have to move everything back in here. The good news is we downsized to the other house, so everything that we have is gonna fit in this house. Once we paint, it'll match, but everything will fit, and we'll probably have to get some more stuff. So we got rid of the original formal living room stuff. So we had a couch and a couple of seats and a carpet, but we got rid of all the formal stuff because we just didn't have a formal living room at that house. And also we got rid of the formal dining table. But the dining room table that we do have at that house will go right here, and then we'll probably get maybe a little kitchenette for over here. So that's what we're imagining, but that is the official tour of our house, of our home. I appreciate you tuning in to another episode of my channel. If you have any questions about investing in real estate, comment down below and I will answer every single one of them for you guys. We really love connecting with you guys one-on-one. I will answer every one. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of my channel. Please give me a subscribe if you want to see more of this content and let me know what you guys want to see. Always remember, you are the maker of your own story, so don't forget to make it legendary. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.